Hey there and welcome to my Outlier AI review. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a full review of Outlier AI, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you right here. And guys, at any time of this video, if you like to discover my favorite strategy, that which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home as a complete beginner, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Just imagine if an ordinary person like me with English as the third language, now who can craft automated systems and make money in US dollars. If I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and start making money for your success? So for more information, please visit the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So to claim it, I request you to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started with today's review video. Outlier AI is essentially a platform looking to train AI and offers you a job to do that. They have paid out around 100 million and have 40,000 experts on their website. So if you do the math, 100 million divided by 40,000 means on average someone has made around $2,500. Outlier AI claims you can get paid for training cutting edge AI on your own schedule. However, you need to be an expert in one of several domains. These include generalist areas like math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and 30 other expert domains. So you are going to need some qualification, and this isn't for everyone. Currently, Outlier AI lists 94 different jobs, including roles for coders, generalists, and language experts. For example, if you speak Hindi, you could get a job working on various writing projects in Hindi to train generative AI models. They offer you up to $8 per hour and you can work globally. Although it's preferred if you live in United States or Germany. While the website looks professional and seems legitimate, the reviews tell a different story. On platforms like Trustpilot and Glassdoor, Outlier AI has around 96 reviews with an average rating of 2.4 stars. Common complaints include a lack of available work, requirements to download browser extensions, and create new Google accounts. Many users mention they start with excellent pay but soon run out of tasks. For example, one user on LinkedIn mentioned they were promised work, went through the process, but found there was very little to do. Another reviewer on Reddit claimed they worked for 5 weeks without getting paid. Outlier AI appears to be a legitimate company, but the real issue is the inconsistency and scarcity of work. There's even an article on Inc.com with people calling the website as a scam. While I don't believe Outlier AI is a scam, there are numerous reports of people being misled. They promise earnings of around $10 to anywhere around $40 per hour, but after rigorous training, some users don't get accepted or find very few jobs available. So at last, I would like to conclude saying Outlier AI might be legitimate, but it's not a reliable source of remote work for most people. So if you're looking for remote work, there are some stable and legitimate options out there. However, if you are interested in starting an online business that can generate passive income and potentially lead to a full-time income over time, consider my #1 recommendation from the first link in the description down below. And also, as promised, there is a special bonus for you. I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle in the second link from the description. Okay, in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So please don't miss this opportunity, guys. Spots are filling really soon. So take action and get into my community to access my own free training on affiliate marketing. Alright, now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, business software reviews, and also tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. So if you are into that kind of thing, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. And also give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.